Hey, it's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo. Happy Tuesday, everybody. And something happened today. That's right. We got a box. Oh, look at that. It is opening. And what is in this box? Look at that. It's black. It's da-da-da-da! Canon R3. That's right. So these cameras arrived today. We got a very, very limited quantity of them. They're for people who are on our pre-order list. So if you want to get one of these hot new cameras, you got to get on the pre-order list. You know, pony up, get in line, wait, because that's what it's like these days. There's just not enough for everybody. Now, the lucky few whose cameras came in got an email from us saying they will be ready for them on Friday. That's right, on Black Friday, we will have Canon EOS R3 for the select people who pre-ordered them, and we're lucky enough that Canon graced us to send us with a camera, and that's the way it is. But for you today, I am going to unbox this camera so that you can be one of the first people to see the Canon EOS R3. Here it is. What do you think, Petey? Should I open it up?
Yes.
All right. There's the warranty card. The getting started guide. The eye cup, which has fallen out of its plastic bag here. And put the eye cup back in its plastic bag. I really love the eye cup on the R3. It's a real nice big eye cup. The strap, the information about downloading and all that. And here it is, folks. Look at that. Oh man, this camera smells fast. There it is. And for those of you who've never seen or touched the R3, I'll tell you one thing about it. For a camera of this size, it's light. It has a very good feel. It's very nice in the hand, both in the portrait and in the landscape perspective. I think as we get to know this camera and use this camera and love this camera, it's going to be even better. You know, we love the swing out screen that's articulated, puts away, the big display on the top, the big spot for the battery, the LPE19 battery, awesome. The two memory card slots, one compact flash, one SD. Remember, gang, you want to use a super fast compact flash express card, not just your run-of-the-mill one, and you want a super fast UHS-2 SD card, not just whatever you got on sale. So very important to make this camera do what we need to do. 30 frames per second, 24 megapixels, 4K HD video, all the fun, cool stuff that this is going to do for us. What else is in the box? Right? So we have some cardboard here, which comes out. Oh my gosh, and underneath the cardboard, look down inside there, Peter. So you can see the charger, the battery, the power cord, the USB cable, it's all there. And I really like the way they box this. It's all cardboard. It's all recyclable materials. I think that's great. It's going to make it good for the environment. So it's good for the environment that we're going to make amazing pictures at super fast speeds. And we're going to be able to recycle all the box. Yes, it smells fast. Yes, it smells like new camera. Yes, it's going to be an amazing camera. I can't wait to get these into your hands so that you can make amazing pictures. Remember, the Canon EOS R3, $59.99. Get on the pre-order list so that you can get a camera in a reasonable amount of time. You know, a small fraction of our pre-orders are going to get cameras on Friday, but you've got to get on the list, gang. You're going to have to be super lucky to walk into a store or call somebody to be able to find one of these cameras, because they're going to be very, very, very tough supply through the first quarter or first half of 2022. So I'm very excited about EOS R3. A lot of my Canon folks are excited about EOS R3. It's a super fast, fun action sports camera, wildlife camera, moving subjects camera. Not too heavy, not too much. A great choice. Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. We're wishing you a great day, great photography, and it's time to get on the waiting list so that you can get a Canon EOS R3 of your very own. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.